Now let's transition to a second tier of digital citizenship, which is commerce. And this idea of the electronic market economy. And this is the real new. This is the new real. It is how the world works now, both legally and illegally. And legally, just how easy it is to electronically purchase everything. It's so commonplace to buy toys, cars, even vacations. And now it's become so commonplace to buy your groceries online and have them delivered to your home. And so, really, part of digital citizenship is creating this awareness of the buyer and the seller and understanding that there is fraud out there and just to be wary of it. And also to be wary of these illegal markets, these black markets where criminal activity takes place, like illegal downloading and sharing, pornography. And then we get into a bit of a gray area where some states it's legal and others it's not, but with gambling, online gambling and offshore gambling. And so it's really important to create this identity of responsibility when it comes to trading, money for goods online in this digital marketplace.